So I don't know these people have been hating on me. They have been doing bad things on me. I went mad into it because of this issue. Now they are trying to kill me.
Too high.
Everybody in your world, please help me if I die.
Too strong.
Amalia me now, Amalia kill me.
When I go upon you, do not listen to you. They burn my own down. And everybody's a suspect. Even your papa, they bury you without an orange casket. He knows something about this death you're talking about. Because they don't come on your body for that coffin, there was blood later all over the place. That's what means say there is something fishy on the inside. But we'll continue to pray for you to avenge your death. We continue to pray for you that you are going to rest in peace. You touched so many lives. Even as we are listening to your lyrics, we know that that is the pain you passed through. But justice must be served. Those people that connive together to do this kind of evil deed against you, all of them must go for it, including the nurse, including your so-called friends that are not with you, including your record labels. All of them must go through it. That is what justice simply means. We are going to serve justice today. Rest in peace, Imole. Rest in peace, Mohbad. Rest in peace, the people's choice. Malian's record is going down for your sake. You're going to make sure you get the justice you deserve for your death. And everyone that is responsible must pay for it. Rest in peace.